Welcome in, everybody. We're heading to the Great Blue Heron Rookery in Kensington Park in Milford, Michigan. I just happened to be driving by here today, and I saw that the Great Blue Herons were really active. So I thought I'd pull around, park. That's the parking lot there behind me. I've been coming to this park for years, and but I have not seen this yet, so I'm kind of looking forward to showing you guys and actually seeing it for myself. So we're gonna go down here, we're gonna check it out, and we're gonna see what this is all about. This is what it looks like here when you first get onto the boardwalk, and there's many things to look at. As you can see, there's a lot of people taking pictures. I'm taking a video here, but we're gonna check it out. So right up here are all these nests, and you can see just how active they are right now. Almost all of them are full, and it looks like, from when I looked it up just before I started making this video, that from about mid-March, which we're getting into late March now by the time I post this. Look how cool that is. Real slow, real methodical landing. We're in late March now, but to about mid-July is when they are most active. So I'm going to go around here. I'm going to go down this boardwalk and check it out. But this is Wild Wing Trail. There's 4 separate trails here. Wild Wing happens to be my favorite one. It goes around this lake, the one that I just was showing you. And here's a black bird here. Hey, buddy. Pretty orange and yellow. The birds here are super friendly. I actually posted a video here last year feeding the birds on a different trail. Hello. Hopefully with my microphone on you can hear the birds chirping. But we got a swan here. So like I was saying, there's 8 miles of trails here, 4 different trails. Wild Wing is about 2 miles, and it goes around this Wild Wing Lake. There's Aspen Trail, and I don't have the 4 names off the top of my head, but Aspen Trail is another one that's really probably my second favorite, full of aspen trees. But this trail here, it's just a nice flat surface, nice in the wintertime, and there's birds down here. As you can see down there, there's a bridge, and there's birds that feed in the wintertime down in that section as well. Here, and then on the other side of the nature center, is where the birds are most active in the wintertime. They're there in the summer as well. Needless to say, they're hungrier in the wintertime, but in the um, summertime, they're still there. But I do like to come here in the wintertime on days where it's not too cold. This past winter was freezing. We had about 6 weeks, basically all of January and February, where it was pretty much below 10 degrees. If we got to 15 or 20, we were lucky. We had this polar vortex come in, and let me get a shot of the lake again here. And but yeah, we had just, and most of the time it was sub temperature wind chills. So I didn't get out here as much as I normally do in the wintertime. I didn't get out hiking as much, but I took up exercising this winter, so I was able to get my exercises in uh, at inside this year. But like I said, it's awesome here, and you can tell a lot of people out and about today. It's midweek. It's a Wednesday, but weekends start to fill up and get busy. But we'll get one last look here. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Come along with me on this. Check out my other videos. I'll pin the link in the comments below. Let me know in the comments what you think of this video. Let me know what kind of videos you like. And if you've gotten any experience with bird watching, uh, anything in nature really, what's your favorite place to go in the country? This is in Michigan. This is Milford, Michigan. This is Josh, Blue Sky 3, and I'm out of here. Have a great day, everybody.